scary. Symbol. Yeah. Just look up, it's behind. Yep. Under got Raiji. Flying Raiji. Let's walk in.
So we have to walk this street, is it?
Oh yeah. There's a lot of touristy stuff there. That's just the entrance. This huge lantern was just the entrance. There's a temple.
Okay lah, we can get that again.
I think they'll definitely sell Tokyo banana here also. The touristy areas. Oh, there's halal snacks too.
Okay, dah makan. Orang beli je.
Kenapa?
Bayar for the donut.
Kita makan sih. Hello Kitty. This is the oven baked. It's like mochi and stuff. What is that about here?
I bought the bag, man.
What bag?
This bag, the one that I didn't say before.
Pretty.
Hashtag no money, no money. There's McDonald's.
Actually, we can walk here, like, actually, just now. But there are nice kimonos and stuff. Jinbei. Some fans. Look at all my fans. Those are crackers, I think.
Tokyo banana. Freezing my butt.
Pakai gitu. Kencang. Weaves. Weaves for days, honey. That's just extension top head lah.
Tapi tu lah.
There's the white one. That's for the performances, you know.
But it's like the
That's for the performance.
Rambut the house. This is the kabuki.
Chopsticks. Who is the guy on the... Can somebody please enlighten me? Who is this guy?
Macam Airi tengah marah macam tu. Asli. Yang ni kakak, Azri kakak akan benda. Tu overseas sekali habis.
Habis kita kena... Scarves and... Made in China.
Got it here.
스카프 이거 하나
Pretty.
My god, there's really a lot of stuff that you can get. Like traditional samurai swords maybe.
And shoes maybe. It smells good. Whatever that is.
Ini sudah tengah tahan. Tangan tak semua.
Temple looks pretty. Shoot.
No wonder they use the crows in like all the animes or games now.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot.
Or like when you're like super quiet, then you can hear the crows. Kind of like.
买有的话，你给我带。
No wonder my sister said Anatusa is like Bugis.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff. Here's a
Shop
temple.
here, right?
Yeah.
Asakusa, not Akakusa.
Asakusa.
Aku kira say Akakusa, Akatusa pula. Must maintain.
Oh my god, the Ultraman makes me dizzy. Could have bought a Japanese t-shirt or something.
Wow.
Like the ninja suit.
Very high costume.
Is that a pigeon? That's a pigeon.
This is cherry blossom. 8 cherry blossom.
Half blooming lah. Half dead. They just started. Oh my god. Shall we take a picture?
That guys are uncomfortable from the picture now. This is even cherry blossom.
I think these are. This is the temple. I think these these are sakuras that you can take away.
They look fake.
Maybe they were imported. Even in Japan, you have to import cherry blossom that has bloomed.
I think it's a fake one. Are you sure?
It doesn't look fake though. Okay, it is fake because it's tied up. I
it's
caught you.
fake.
It's fake. I caught you, Japan. Is this like a surat cinta thing? I don't think so.
Son? What do you do? What do you do?
I think it's like a fortune thing, I guess. Yeah, it's like a fortune thing. I think it's here. Pay 100 yen. 100. Never mind lah.
If it's fortune, then it's fortune. It's not the...
It's not.
Kena offering eh? Belum masuk?
No, I think that one is like
I'm supposed to cleanse the hands, is it?
oh, you're supposed to komo also. It's okay.
It's like their wuduk lah, but...
Yeah lah. But like hands and mouth.
I have time only. Masuk lah.
I'm just like put my hands in my pocket because it's so freaking cold. Cantik sih dah pakai kimono. Cik gila please. Why they have to pay to go in?
No, that one is...
So are we allowed or not allowed to take picture? No, but like, dia tengah sembahyang eh? You shake the thing and then a stick will come out. So that stick will show you which one to take.
200 yen. Let's try.
これがそのまんま。何を書いてるか見て。
through there.
What?
She walked through there. Yeah.
The right one, right? Yeah. It's a pagoda. Let's go, carry on. My hands are freezing. That's okay. Cantik sih kimono dia, kata kain dia.
Oh, the business must be like free.
Koi.
Like here. We look like people.
I am a tourist, it's okay. I admit, do I look like a local? I'm so not.
You good. This is so cute though. We go next.
Yeah, I think we can walk there.
Should be the map. Good for
We know Park?
the
Asakusa.
Asakusa. Okay, wait. We're going to the other. Wait,
Asakusa Park?
I don't know.
I don't understand. Somebody help me translate that too. So this is the side. You wanna go out straight away?
I don't know, you?
I think we're done. Looking through everything.